lie, bro. I am kind of feeling some Arby's.
Home needs, call the number.
You serious?
Uber to a different state is crazy.
Let me get stay. I'm tripping.
Let me get an Uber. They talking about
Let me go get an Uber to Kentucky.
Hey, go to Colorado real quick for me, bro.
Yeah, bro, take me to Denver.
Hey, take me.
Ride gonna be like $20.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna be away from my family for a few days, bro.
Do 200 to go to Denver?
Oh, bro, they be hard on Uber, bro. I don't know.
Look up that price, bro.
I need 600,000 at the
I
minimum.
gotta be set for life.
I'm on the skinnier side. What? You talking about 355? You can't get on the helicopter by yourself.
What is that?
Are you like 190? Don't it? I'm about 140.
Most people do. You want a receipt?
Yeah. Keep it as a memory.
Talking about memory. You know, he want to know how much.
Holy shit, God.
Boy, that's a lie. That's a lie if I've ever seen it. Waffle House is not friendly. They beat people up for a living. Let me get 48 All-Star meals. Can I get 2 All-Star specials?
You want to?
Yeah. We don't live here, and we don't got Waffle House where we from. So
You want one to go?
yeah.
Okay.
One of my waffles, you feel me?
You don't got no. Oh, you do.
No, he keeps saying that. Like he got a waffle to go. You sound like you don't sound like you wanted to go though. You sound like you could have. I was just throwing gifts on whatever. I'm not. So today's going to be a little bit of a chill day or rest day or reset day, whatever you want to call it. Usually I don't like staying in the house, but I've been feeling pretty overworked. Also, I've been having a lot of knee and ankle pain. I've been playing a bit of basketball and a bit of volleyball, and I haven't been getting my body like enough rest. Today's just going to be staying in the house. I'm not seeing sunlight at all unless it's from a window. Feel me? So I'm about to bring y'all to work with me. Y'all finna see like a little day in my work life. And it's early too. It's dark outside. You know what time it is? 4 in the morning. Do I look like the type of person to get
I think they shot up 2,000.
2,000. I'm not paying 2,000 for nothing. I wouldn't pay 2,000 for no types of trips. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Low 80s in December. Where we at?
We there.
Where we at?
Nah, bro. I need to go to a beach, bro. I'm 20 years old and I ain't never been to a beach. I'll be in that.
Listen.
I ain't gonna lie. You know how many shots I'm shooting, bro? Hawaii Beach. I'm in. That's
clean.
Oh yeah, we there.
We're not flying Frontier. We're not flying.
No, I ain't gonna lie. This is my last time flying Frontier, bro. Why am I in Denver for 12 hours?
The good thing about working at a gym with a basketball court, take my break and get to hooping real quick. My top 5 cereals, I got Cinnamon Toast Crunch at 1 just because he's 6'9", he can see everybody. I think I'm gonna go Cocoa Puffs at 2. Matter of fact, no, I got Frosted Flakes at my 2. I got Frosted.